Hello all, welcome to this Python course. In this video, we are going to see about the two operators. All right, we have already we have gone through the arithmetic operator, assignment operator. In this video, we'll start with the comparison and logical operator. So these are all the two operators we are going to see. Yes, obviously the how the way of input we are giving, that also will learn the new method. In our previous video, we have seen just a direct predefined input. There is a kind of constant input, and here we can give the input as per the user wish. All right, let's see without any delay. So let me create over. Let's first let me comment the particular topic that we are going to see. It's a comparison operator, right? So comparison operator is a topic. All right, so here we'll start with creation of variable. Let me create a variable is reference age. All right, so the particular concept is, we'll see soon. So the concept is like, if the person wants to enter into the pub, and he have to give his age. And as we know, in India we are following 18. All right, so in most of the countries 18 is an adult. So if the age is more than 18, then the particular person is allowed inside the pub. All right, so that's what the concept is. So here I have given, initially I have given the reference ages 18. Before that, let me print the statement, welcome statement. All right, the pub name we can give, yeah, yeah, let welcome to snow pub. All right, so let the guys to get chill over there. So welcome to snow pub. There the reference age is 18. All right, we'll give um, the previously what we used to do, we just have given the variable a, and we used to give some values like 16, say for example. Let me give 16. So this is a previous one. Instead of this particular statement, I'll give what kind of input we can give. All right, so let's stay tuned. Before that, I'll just give the logic. Then that logic, yeah, your age. Instead of a, I'll give your age. All right, and yeah, let me write the logic using if else, so you can learn the another concept, that is if else. So here I'll use if statement. In this if statement, the reference age should be greater than, sorry, if it is greater than your age, it should be greater than your age, right? Your age. Or we can write like this also: if the reference age is lesser than, I mean, your age. All right, so we can give the print you are, sorry, you are allowed inside the pub. Welcome. Okay, have already we have welcome, have fun. All right, so this is the statement that we have written. And in the else loop, in the else format, we'll write like, see here you have, in if you have to give the condition, then you have to use colon. Similarly, in else you have to give the colon. All right, so after, if you just press enter, then the indentation will follow. Okay, so print, let me write sorry kid. All right, sorry kid, you are not allowed. Let me bold it, not allowed, watch cartoon. All right, so go home and watch cartoon. All right, so this is just one statement that we have written. All right, so let me run this statement. So your age is, see, the reference age is 18 and your age is 16. Let me run this statement. See, the because the age we have predefined. All right, we every time from the beginning of the course we are predefining the variables. The values has been predefined, it's constant. And now let me change the way of giving. All right, so that is one part that we have learned, and now we are giving. So here we have given the age as 16. So the pub says, sorry kid, you are not allowed, go home and watch cartoon. All right, so this is what the message. And here let's we don't want now our kids are smart enough, they will not give the age in prior. So let we give on time on the particular time of visit. If you want to give a input, so how we can give, let's see the format of the input. All right, same, I'll give the your age is equal to, how we can do is integer, the value you are going to fetch is integer, then int open parenthesis, I'll give input. All right, again I'll give enter your age. All right, so yeah. All right, so see here, once you have declared int, then the particular variable will wait for the integer input before it will give you the statement like enter your age. All right, let me give please, yes, please enter your age. All right, now let me run it. I'm sorry, there is a one second, your age. So where the problem is, there is some invalid syntax. All right, so reference age, and and yeah, here we have two parentheses, right? So see, one parenthesis and two parentheses. Here we have to, better for the practicing, you always try to do with notepad, so that you can try to find the mistakes by your own. If you start to do with uh, some advanced compiler, you will get the exact statement where the problem is. So your debugging skill may not it will not be so good. All right, so here I have given two for two open parentheses, I have given two closed parentheses. Now let me try. I think I saved. Let me save once again. Yes, save. Yeah, now it's perfect. See, welcome to Snowpub. Yes, thank you. Please enter your age. Yeah, if it is a old, so previously what we have done, we have given below 18. Let me try again. I'll give 14. All right. It's my age. Yeah, okay. So sorry, kid, you're not allowed. Go home and watch cartoon. Yes, fine. Let me go. Let me run it again. And the some elders, some guys is elder than me, they are going yes, of course I'm 14. So let me give some, the guy is going 19. Yeah, you are allowed inside the pub, have fun. Yes, so this is what the, now see how beautiful it is. You can give the input by just giving these particular syntax. All right, so here what exactly our particular our intention is to learn about the comparison operator. So here we have learned the lesser than. So similarly you can use lesser than or equal to. All right, see, lesser than or equal to. All right, so here let we give 18 here, let we give 18 here also. So what will happen, so for the first statement I'll give 18. Sorry kid, you are not allowed. Again, this for the second statement. So let me change the pub name, so that snow here, it's a sun pub. All right, so let me run it again, so that, yeah, first snow pub, here the age is 18 and let me give 18. You are not allowed. And in sun pub, let me give 18. Yes, you are allowed. All right, so this is what lesser than or uh, this is a lesser than, and here lesser than or equal to. Similarly we'll write for greater than, and yes, we'll just, it will be similar, just let me write it. All right, so we have to learn right anyhow. So for this we'll see, we'll find some other story. All right, so it's like IRCTC, like website. Say for in most in India, let we see, if you want to book a train ticket, we can, for individual can book up to six tickets in a single user account. Or if you go directly to the counter, you can book only single. So in most of the countries, there's some limitation, like the individual can only get the few number of tickets. So let's we have this logic and we'll try to write. All right, we'll create a variable maximum allowed ticket. So before that, yes, as usual, we'll welcome the guest or the customer. So let me print welcome to IRCTC website. All right. So here the maximum allowed ticket per person is equal to 6. Let me give the another variable as an input, number of tickets is equal to the same concept whatever we have used here, the same integer input, then how many tickets, or please enter the tickets you want. All right, so let we have given this as a input, then we have to give some, you know sorry, yeah. So let we write the, now here we can write the condition if uh, maximum allowed tickets. See, if it is some advanced compiler, if you type max, then this particular variable will come and we can use it. Let that we'll see later. Let we start with notepad so that we'll get more familiar with coding. All right, so if the maximum allowed ticket is greater than or equal to number number of tickets. All right, so this is another variable, then print. So here we are printing. If it is a application, we can write a logic inside this loop. All right, so in these stages we can have a habituate of getting printed. Later we'll see. All right, so if it is, if this condition satisfies, please fill the ticket details. All right, if not, what will happen is else print, sorry, you are not allowed to book or to buy more than 6 tickets. All right, so this condition is done. Let me run it. Yeah, okay, this pub is asking anyhow. Let me give 25, 23. So how many tickets you want? All right, so this is what we have written. Welcome to IRCT's website, please enter the tickets you want. um, I have not given the colons. Okay, it's not a big problem. Okay, so it is a glitch. Let me give 5, please fill the details. That means we are allowed. All right, so if, say for example, if, let me run it again, um, 23, 23, then please enter the tickets. I want 8 tickets now. See, sorry, you are not allowed to buy more than 6 tickets. The message has been printed. So this is greater than or equal to. Similarly, you can use greater than also. All right, this you can try. It's not a big deal. So this ends the comparison operator. So maybe in our next video we'll continue with the I mean the logical operator. All right, so already it's crossed the time limit. So let we give the next video with the logical operator. All right, just try to practice and use these with some other logics, and if you have any queries you can just always get back. We'll get back to you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.